Good morning, marhaba, or good nighting. Welcome from Antalya in Turkey. It's absolutely steaming. Another day, glorious sunny sunshine. I'm in Kekova this morning, which is a city by the sea that used to be inhabited by people, but not anymore. I'll tell you something, what a beautiful place. Really nicely set out for tourists, so you can really see what it's like. But beautiful little city, or little town, or village I should say. And here there is everything you need. First place I've come to in Turkey where you've got to pay for parking. Got to actually pay to park here. So let's have a quick look around and see what it's like. Place is set out especially for tourists. Coach tours come down here, and you know what, it's really difficult for the coach tours to come down. Roads are not easy. There's a lot of boat tours ready for people to come out and have a look around. And look at the way it's done. Enough boats for a boat trip, and that's how they start off. The little harbour here. Amazing setup. Restaurants as well. Right, I've got my boat's tour sorted, so it's about an hour and a half boat tour, so let's see how we get on with that. But I've got to say, so far, impressed. And security as well. Marhaba, hello. Look at the views. Beautiful views. It was 4,000 lira, 4,000 Turkish lira for the trip. Private boat tour for 5 of us. But look at the amount of boats. And that's our boat. Boat Usta. Boat has started, and like I said, 2 decks. Look, sorry, Capitan. That's our Capitan. And the Coast Guard is there as well. Here's little control cabin. Coast Guard boat, and the Coast Guard boat there as well. Beautiful area. Absolutely stunning. We are moving, and the anchor is coming up. Where is it? Where is it? Where is the anchor? Here it is. That's our anchor. Let's get to the front of the boat. And the beginning of our tour. theirs as well. They're just getting their anchor up as well. Beautiful boats. This is what you move to Turkey for. Have a boat here. I would love to have a boat here. Feel the breeze just picking up. It's beautiful, huh? Amount of islands that are here. We need an island off here. We need to buy one of our islands off here.
Nice, fresh living.
Yeah, beautiful, fresh air. Peaceful and calm. These are tombs, what's left over from the old inhabitants that used to live around here. And it just spreads right across, all the way across the coastline. But like I said, what I do like is the boats. I mean, that one is beautiful. Beautiful, amazing area. Kekova it's called. The Sunken water city. There were the tombs earlier on that we saw, and this is the new sort of city that's been built. You can see it's going to be a real big hub for tourism. And you've got the fort there on top of the mountain, or the cliff, highest point. The whole coastline, absolutely unbelievable how big the coastline is. Oh, you got the tombs, you got the hotel, and the swimming area just there. And individual points for the boats, individual restaurants, individual areas, private settings, and people swimming as well. Like I said, it's all round. It's amazing how big it is. The top of our boat. You can make out people walking at the top of the fort there as well. So you could easily spend a whole day here, do this, and walk around the little. It's a very, very small, I say village, not even a town. It's like a village. One thing I'm always amazed about in Turkey, land. They have so much land. You got the hotel sort of thing finished there, and then look, the rest of it is all untouched. Untouched land. And it just goes on forever. The vastness of the country is just phenomenal. Yeah, my private beach, this will be my private beach area, and the Sunken city will be no more. It'll be my city. Rees City is going to be called. You can actually see it's coming out from the water. You can see that it's got a coral quite a way out, so we are a bit of distance from it. There's what seems like a doorway with windows just there. Whole canoeing activity as well, very nice. The whole area is done up really nice, I must say. It's very nicely done for tourists, I must say. Guided tour for canoeists. This is where the church was situated. So it must have been quite a fair community living here back in the day. I tell you, it's really, really warm. It's really warm. It's got to be at least 28, 29 degrees. But with the breeze, beautiful when the breeze comes. But otherwise, it's a little bit too hot. I would actually, I wouldn't mind doing that as well. And it's a guided one as well, like, you know, so they are getting, yeah, they're getting their advice of what it is. And look, you can see the way it's been set up. Okay, this was the area where the Romans had a hammam, like a baths. But I must say, beautifully done. And look at the blue water, blue sea, beautiful, clean as well. Look, very, very clean. And everybody's really friendly, everybody's waving, everybody's talking to each other. Nobody feels out of place, everybody's included, everybody's spoken to. The atmosphere has been really, really good between everyone. There's a lot of coral here. Oh, it's a wall. If you notice, it's an actual wall under the water. Oh, okay, no wonder. Marina. No wonder you can actually tell that there's a wall underneath here. I don't know if you can make it out. And he said this area used to be the harbour or a marina where the boats used to come in. You can actually see the shape of it as well. Okay. This is the end of the sunken city. This was a marina main area where it used to come. Not used anymore. And as anything, a blue plastic basket. Something you can't get away from. I'm surprised by how many canoes have been on the water. I mean, if I had known, I probably would have done a canoe rather than the boat. But it's brilliant that they offer that as well. It could be the canoes are pulled over with the boat over there with the people on it. But like I said, really nice. Set up absolutely beautiful. Everyone, like I said, very friendly. Everyone's happy. Not just that, the weather is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You know what? It's only when you move out of the UK, you come and you explore in these places, you see how genuine the people are. Oh, look at the lagoon here. Beautiful. Parked up, get out, go for a swim. All the people there swimming in the water. And you can see just here that it's some sort of like living. Doors, windows, courtyard. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful place, beautiful. Look at that, look at how they are swimming in the water. That's the sound of our anchor going down. And for this, I'm gonna have to jump in the water. That's our stop. So let's see, I didn't even bring my trunks with me. I'll be swimming in these by the looks of it.
Bismillah. He's gone. Yeah, well done, Ree. You done it, you done it. Is it cold?
No.
Sorry.
It's not cold at all.
Oh, you're going to put the thing down.
No, it's a full bush.
If they come like somewhere in half 10, then we do that.
This is where I was swimming. Look how many eels there are, I think, if you can make them out. Eels or snakes, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's about 8 in there I can see. There they are. I just got out of the water as well. How many fish there are can you make out? And there's the eels there. Loads. And he's playing our music as well, look. Or listen, I should say, rather than look. Beautiful area, absolutely stunning place. That was an awesome swim there. Like, a beautiful place, very, very nice place. Shall put up my swimming videos as well. But what a place. Enough exploring to do around there if you can swim there, because the boat can't go there. Just coming back from our tour. It's a lot longer than an hour and a half, and I'll tell you something, it was absolutely awesome. The way the marina is done. That's the anchor going down. That's where we came in from, and reversing into our spot. Spent the whole morning here, the little hidden gem. Everything you need, and it's made really nice, especially for tourists as well. Prices weren't extortionate as what you would expect, but they weren't exactly cheap either. We got a discount on the boat ride, on the food. We bought our own drinks. We didn't buy the drinks from here and stuff and everything like that, but we spent what's the time here now? 12:30. We spent about 2.5 hours here, and like I said, it's been it has been really, really nice. Beautiful place, beautiful little town or village, and beautiful people. People have been really, really good. Everyone was friendly. Everything you need is here as well. You do your little bit of shopping to spend the day here, but the best thing was the Sunken City boat tour and the stop off for the swim. Was really, really nice. Well worth it, well recommended. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget your trunks, which I did, so I had to swim in my shorts. So make sure you bring a towel and your trunks. Can't do without them here. Really, really basic mistake, basics. But hey ho, still didn't stop me.